Hi, today I'm with Motorola Moto E6i and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So we should first open the settings app and then tap to display section. Click to wallpaper and you'll see here the gallery and the wallpapers. Just you could use photos from your device gallery previously taken on the device camera or downloaded from the internet, also photos from the Google Drive, or also you could use the wallpapers just on your device, just the default one. So you could see here the preview. So after that, just for example, let's use this one. Click set wallpaper and select lock screen. Just we could see here the notification that this wallpaper is set successfully. So let's just lock the device and we could see that we just successfully activated this wallpaper. Also we get one more way how we could do that. Just let's take a picture first. Okay. We get one more way how we could do that. We should just hold for a while the empty space with our finger, then just tap to the wallpapers icon and you'll see here the same wallpapers or gallery. For example, just tap to use it always. Here we get our photos category. Just let's use them. Photo from the camera roll. You could see also the preview. Just tap to set wallpaper and select once again lock screen. Wallpaper set successfully. So as you can see, that's so simple. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.